What's good, guys? So, one of my YouTube channels, I've made videos about this before on this very channel. It's about to get monetized, as you see over here. And the subscriber criteria is complete. I have like 1800 subscribers, and the watch hours from what it shows over here is 3302. I need 4000 watch hours. Now, the thing is that this is like data from April 27, 2025, but today it's May 2nd, and the data that is being shown over here, it's like a week old. But I'll take you to the analytics, and let me just do it for the last 365 days. So, well, you see over here I have 3.5k watch hours. Now if you go over here, let me just show you over here. This is till May 1st. Let me just see over here. Yes, here you see it's May till May 1st. Now today is May 2nd, and I've posted like 2 3 videos in the last night and today, so they have got me some around maybe 1500 views or so. So more watch hours are gonna get added to it, so it's gonna be maybe around 3600 by tomorrow morning. Let me just show you over here. You see this one video which I talked about the top 10 dividend stocks in the Pakistan Stock Exchange. In the last 48 hours, it got me like 1.4k views. That is a lot, guys. And if though the other ones, they got me a bit less than 500, and the latest one I posted it's at 134. So let me just show you that certain video that got very good views. And well, usually I post videos, they get some good views, decent views, but this one is performing as exceptionally well, and this seems to be evergreen. So it has got 1420 views since it got posted, and you see it's not even been one complete day since I posted this. And if we see over there, it has got me like 110 watch hours. So I keep on posting stuff. Occasionally some of the videos in between, they perform really well, they give me very good watch hours like this one, and that's how I've been able to almost be able to achieve the 4000 hour watch time. And if you are making content, well, you need to just stay consistent, and you need to post on a very specific topic. Now this video will be evergreen, so the video is on dividend paying stocks, and there will always be searches for this certain topic. And another thing is the thumbnail. This one had some 10 or 11 something like that CTR. And if you see over here in the thumbnail, talk which I wrote as dividend king, I put a king crown on it, and then you see I blurred it. Most people can half guess that this is the Angro stock, but still they are curious about it. And on top of it, the video is about the top 10 dividend paying stocks in Pakistan. So you have to be very specific about certain topics, then you would get a lot more watch hours on your videos. People are gonna watch it for more. So that's pretty much it. In the coming weeks or maybe a few days, this channel is gonna get monetized, and I'm gonna share the whole journey with you. I don't really feel that well today, but I still wanted to get this video out and share this message with you. So wherever you are in your journey, just stay consistent, do a lot of research, post very specific videos, and hopefully you are gonna get really good results. Watch the video till here. I actually feel very thankful for that. So stay blessed. And on the screen you will be seeing two videos that I previously posted. One of those might be of interest to you. I'll see you in those.